Taper mode, editing parameters and screen overview. For full instructions on the Avoset Infusion pump, refer to the user manual found on our website. The parameters used in this video are default settings and are an example for the video's purpose. Please refer to your local policy for your pump program. Basic pump function. Taper mode is programmed using the Avoset programming tool. In taper mode, the pump will infuse at a constant rate with optional tapering. This video will show you how to power the pump on and off, resume, start a new infusion, review and edit parameters. Make sure you have fresh batteries in the pump and a connected administration set that has been primed and is disconnected from the patient. Do not use the administration set before verifying that all air has been expelled. Power the pump on and off. Power on the pump by pressing the on-off button. The pump will perform an automatic system check. Verify the following occurs. Screen lights up. All areas of the screen are visible. Pump beeps. Green, yellow and red LED indicators turn on. The pump's serial number and software version appear briefly on the screen. To power the pump off, press the on-off button for 3 seconds. Password protection. You may be prompted to enter a password when the pump is powered on and when making edits to the infusion parameters. If the screen displays Enter Password, use the plus or minus button to enter the first digit and confirm next. Repeat the sequence for the second and third digits and confirm OK. Press Clear to reset any entered digits. Mandatory parameter review. If the pump is being used for the first time for your patient, or parameters were changed in the previous treatment, there will be a mandatory review of the infusion program. To review the program, confirm Review. Use the Next, Back and Done options to confirm the parameters, which will be shown in the following sequence: plateau rate, VTBI, taper up duration, taper down duration, total duration. Edit parameters prior to starting infusion. In taper mode, parameters may be edited, which will apply to the current infusion and future repeated infusions. The following default parameters can only be edited before an infusion is started: VTBI, taper up duration, taper down duration, total duration, KVO. To edit parameters, press Edit and input the password if prompted. Press Skip if you do not want to change the displayed parameter. Use the plus and minus buttons to change the parameter value and confirm OK. Confirm Yes or No to the screen message Edit more parameters. Confirm the new program. Connect the primed administration set to the patient, open all clamps and press Start Pause. Verify the infusion is running, indicated by a flashing green light and spinning run icon. Start a new infusion with a new bag. To repeat the same infusion with a new bag, confirm New Bag. Confirm Yes to reset the volume to be infused. Press Review and use Back and Next to browse parameters. Press Done to return to the main screen. The parameters will be displayed in the following sequence: plateau rate, VTBI, taper up duration, taper down duration, total duration. Press Done to return to the main screen. Connect the primed administration set to the patient, open all clamps, and press Start Pause. Verify the infusion is running, indicated by a flashing green light and spinning run icon. Review parameters during an infusion. Use the Info and Next options to browse parameters, which will be displayed in the following sequence: total duration remaining, volume infused, VTBI, plateau rate, taper up duration, taper down duration. Note that taper up, taper down, and KVO are optional features and may not appear on the display if not enabled. Press Done or hold Next for 3 seconds to return to the main screen. Immediate taper down. The infusion can be ended early by using the immediate taper down feature. This is an optional feature. If this feature is available, the screen will display a Taper D option. Press Taper D to start the taper down phase. Confirm Yes to the displayed message, Start Taper Down Now. The screen displays Taper Down. Taper down is now in progress. Verify the infusion is running by checking the green light is flashing and the running icon is spinning. For additional information and the safe use of the product, refer to the user manual found on our website.